Hey Paxton, this is Paul Hett with Grassfire Digital Marketing in Fayetteville, Arkansas. You talked with Justin earlier today about us sending you a free website audit. I know there's some question about whether this website is tied to you guys, but it has your phone number on it, so I'm going to use it just as an example so that you can get a feel for what we do and how we approach a website as far as helping you grow your business. Our whole goal is to help you boost your presence online, help you grow your business, get more customers. Basically want to help you dominate your space. And we do that through using Google search criteria for this area and tailored specifically to your type of business so that you can capture that search criteria and get found better on the internet. So the things that Google looks for when they factor in how their search finds you is authoritative content, backlinks, and citations. So authoritative content is basically all of the content on your page. It has not only to do with the amount of text on your page, but also the photos and how those photos are named, what keywords and key phrases are found within the text on your website. And Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words for that. As you can see, this website here is, although it's nicely designed, the images are nice and such, the content on it is just, it's kind of subpar. There's only about 500 words of content on here. There's not enough room and not enough text to actually get the amount of keywords and key phrases that you want on your website tailored specifically to the search going on in our area, just so people find you. There's about 500 words on this one. I'm not sure if I said that or not. So looking at the type of things, here I'll show you just a quick image. So if I look at this image is named 560 by 430. We would title this image, for instance, Drywall, Fayetteville, Arkansas, or Drywall Contractor, Fayetteville, Arkansas / apartments or dash apartments or something. Just to get another criteria for Google to find you guys based off of what that image is named. And we do that for all of these images on here. Anything like a box, images, we optimize it for that specific search criteria. And we work with you guys to find out what is, where is your business growing? How are you trying to grow? What is most profitable for you? What are the things that you want to be found for? So that's where we work for you. How, you may be wanting to grow your business in a certain area. So we tailor a website, tailor pages to fit that. And we do this for all of these back pages as well. You may not have quite as much text on it, but somewhere between 500 and 1,000 words on each page. And it just, shows all of the things about your, who you guys are, what you guys do, but it also is tailored to specific search. The other thing I want to point out real quick is you can see that this website is not secure. That's definitely something you want to fix first. You want to have a secure website because it makes someone coming to you that might put their information in just feel more comfortable that they're not going to have their information stolen. Identity theft goes on a lot these days, and then also it helps you guys be protected from specific hacking and such. So just want to let you know about that. That's definitely something that you would fix first. So looking at other things on this website, let's look at the competition real quick. So as you can see, there's not much that pulls up in the search for Drywall Contractor Northwest Arkansas. Velocity Drywall Repair. These guys don't even have a website. This is the Google Map Pack. You definitely want to be at the top of this. It just helps people know that, hey, they're right there. They must be important. They must be the professionals. Looking down here in the organic section, this is where you see there's a White River Contractors there. You've got FayettevilleHousePainting.com. This particular website pulls up here. MSI pulls up there. So looking just at the other competition's website, you can see that theirs is broken right now. Nobody in this space in drywall is spending very much money on websites, and really gives you guys the opportunity to boost all the way to the top and get found first for search. So whether that be drywall, whether it be stucco, painting, whatever type of thing you're looking for, we look at all of those things to figure out what is the easiest way to get you guys boosted up in search and for people to find you guys. Another competitor to you guys out of Little Rock, Platinum Drywall. as you can see, their website's kind of dated. The images aren't real clear, aren't real nice, and just their website looks looks really basic. So nothing special here. You know, there's nice moving images here. We might even incorporate some video on this. Video is really popular right now with web pages, and really makes your page look slick. So also looking at backlinks and citations, for instance. So backlinks are, if you think of the internet as this interconnected group of websites and web pages, linking back to your website in some way, from a directory, from a blog post, from someone's Google review. Also, if there's an industry group that could link back to you guys in some way, those are things that we're going to try to find ways to do that. Those are just adds more power to Google's algorithm for when they find you. And so we're basically trying to create a situation where it tells Google, you guys are the authority, you guys are the most powerful, you guys are the most awesome contractor in the area, and people should hire you. So that's what backlinks are. This site right now has hardly any. It's got 3. That is pretty dismal. It has no UR data, and the domain rating is 0. We want to boost this up over time, and this is by creating these backlinks. And this takes time. It's a monthly thing. You want to add backlinks and add pages that are referring to you guys every month to get more and more just known as the authority, and that boosts your rating up, and it just tells Google again, hey, these guys are strong. They're doing things to improve their website. They're trying to grow their business online, and just helps you in their eyes. Organic keywords. So these are the keywords that this page is actually being found for. So you can see Contractor Solutions, of course, the name's being found. Drywall subcontractors, that gets searched 70 times. It's on page 35, or position 35. So it's on page 3 of Google. Not being found very high in the ranking. Contractor Solutions, Springdale. Yeah, there's just not a lot tying this specifically to this area. I would want this to specifically say, drywall subcontractors, Fayetteville, Arkansas, or Springdale, Arkansas, or whatever we're trying to target, or multifamily drywall contractors. That's where we really dive in deep with you guys and figure out where your business is, where you're profitable, where you're trying to grow, and tailor that to that. So also looking back here, want to talk about citations a minute. So citations are all of these directories, Manta, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Facebook, anything that has your name, your business name, your address, and your phone number tied to it, and some sort of description about you guys. We want that all to be the same across all of these citations, all these directories, and have these citations pull in and have you guys be higher than anyone else. So if we look at this and dive deep into finding what those citations are, and you guys have 15 citations, your competitor's got 19, maybe another competitor's got 14. What I like to do is I like to blow that out of the water so that those guys can't do anything to the web page to try to catch up with you guys. So we want to be about 100 citations ahead of your next guy. And we do that, again, it's over time. It's an organic process of adding these pages and these links just more and more so you guys can get found, get boosted up higher in that search. Because it's all about becoming number 1 up here. It's all about trying to get up here and be number 1 in this as the first business listed here. Because when I come to a website and I type this in, who am I looking for? I'm going to go down here and I'm going to bypass all of these directories, and I'm going to go, you know what, these guys are number 1. They must be the best. And then I'm going to click on them and try to and see about their business. So that's the ABCs and how that works. Trying to think here if there's anything else to tell you guys. My industry or my background is in architecture, so I'm familiar with what you guys do. I'm familiar with that market, and really feel like we can build you a nice looking website, but not just a nice looking one. Anybody can do that. Build you one that's actually tailored specifically to the search that's going on, so that you guys can be found and ultimately grow your business. So if you like what you see here, I would just let me know. You can reach me at 479-326-7899. I'd love to have some feedback from you guys on what you think of the video. And I hope it helps you guys. You know, it's kind of 3 tips, whether you use us or someone else, you need to be doing this, and we'd love to help you guys. So again, just reach out, 479-326-7899. Thank you.